What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we have a massive box from Braum Racing. We are now sponsored by Braum Racing. They have been gracious enough to send us this package. Of course, you know, with some seats. So we just want to give a shout out and thanks to Braum Racing for these very awesome seats. So let's get them out of the box and see what they look like. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got them out the box. They still have the plastic cover on. I will get those out. But these are the Braum Racing Viper X in the red jacquard. I think I'm saying that correctly. But the pair of seats, the two slider rails, or handles, excuse me. I got a pack. Haven't opened them yet, but these should be the sliders. Let's see, we have this pack here. Not 100% sure what's in here. We'll find out together. First out is a red Braum toe strap. Don't know if I'll run that on this car, but thanks to Braum, we have a nice red toe strap. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like some decals. Have a nice smaller decal. And this looks like possibly like a windshield or a back glass banner style decal. Let's lay that over here. I doubt that'll be put on the car. We might have to cut some different ones. So let's just lay this out the way. I had another little bag. Pretty sure this is it here. This is a little bag. This is probably the hardware. Let's grab it, snatch it open. Very well packaged. Yes, this is hardware to put the sliders on the seats and possibly the seats to the brackets. Another set. This is probably for the sliders to the seat, if I had to take a guess. And we also have like some steel spacers. Not really sure what that's for. I'll have to see if I can find some paperwork in here and just see, or maybe look it up online. Anyway, that's that. So this is them. Let's see if we can find where this plastic is put together. Let's see if we can snatch it open. I got too much going on here. Let's see. There we go. Probably not correct, but that's what we're going to go with. Oh my God, guys. Try not to let that hit the car. Make sure I'm not dirty. I'd hate to get them dirty before I ever get them in the car. That's why when we get done, we're going to put this bag back on them until we can get him in the car. What are we hung on? There we go. They're not really heavy. Wow. Guys, look at that. That looks much better without the plastic cover on. Wow. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Again, this is the jacquard material. No, that's not a stain. It's got like a indent in the seat there. On camera, the red looks pretty good to the car. It is a little different in person, but on camera it looks really good. The black piping adds a nice touch. Let's see how the back is. Oh, it's got the carbon fiber look vinyl to the back with the Braum logo and the harness pass through. Don't mind my inventory in the back that needs to be cleaned up. And these are reclinable. See the little reclining handle here. I did measure to make sure they would fit, so let's hope I don't run into any issue with the reclining mechanism there, with the tunnel and all that, before we agree to this here sponsorship order. Try not to fall over anything, getting y'all set back up here. All the parts from my car that are going on are just hanging out behind the car there. So, since I brought that up with my parts hanging out behind the car, I did stop by and told them Motorsports yesterday, which will be a few days from now when you actually see this video. So, talk to them. So after the Corvette show, because I don't want to rush it and have any issues beforehand. So after the Corvette show, the car will be dropped off and all the parts will be put on. It'll be baselined, all the parts installed, retuned to see what kind of gains we have with the cam, heads, intake, throttle body. That's really only in the headers and X-pipe. So, but this is it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. The Braum Racing Viper X in red jacquard. That's a beautiful seat. Really beautiful seat. If I wasn't dirty from work, I'd sit down in it. I may do that before. Cover it back up. That is an absolute gorgeous seat. Brackets will be here the day after this airs, which will be Tuesday. So, looking forward to that. There'll be an install video coming soon. A Wasp making a cameo. Anyway, guys, I'm in that here. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about these seats. And I'll catch you in the next one.